It's Coach Jess, and today we're talking about how to master a dumbbell row. First step is foot placement, shoulder distance apart. From there, we want to bend at our knee and hinge at our hips. So it's very robotic. Think about pushing your hips back towards the wall behind you. At this point, as you're pushing your hips back, your shoulders, or I should say your torso, naturally lowers. You do want to have your shoulder blades rolled back and your chest out. The spine is neutral as possible. So this is your start position when it comes to your rows. With our dumbbells in our hands, we're in a rested position, so our weights are just hanging here. We want to trigger, or I should say activate, the muscles of our back, like our lats, right through this area here, to move this weight. So we're bringing our elbows back, 90-degree angle from shoulder to wrist, squeezing the muscles of our back, controlling the weight back down. With this movement, it's easy to lose your control and start swinging like this. And when you do that, you're not working your back, okay? You're really honestly wasting your time, and we don't want to do that when we're working out, right? So you want to take a second at the top of that row and control it back down to full extension, all the way out, and then repeat again for another rep. What you want to avoid when doing rows, again, is excessive swinging. Number two, one thing I see a lot is choppy movements. So that means the person, they row and they halfway extend and they row again. That is not going to help you, and it's just going to make you tight and also not get the results that you need. Okay, so that is how you do your row. And last thing I want to mention is tucking your chin. So at no point should you have your neck extended up like this as you row. You want to tuck your chin, eyes towards the floor. Okay, so that is how you do your dumbbell row, and I'll see you on the next how-to video.